whenever we talk about these sorts of things, it's easy for people to kind of make the leap to, well, I've done everything right, I'm still sick, I must be doing something wrong, or I must have caused my illness in some way. And I'm in no way suggesting that anybody who is sick has brought this upon themselves. I'm in no way blaming or shaming or trying to guilt somebody about an illness. It's not about that. All that does is trigger more stress responses. So step 6 is really important because we have to, at some point, accept that, maybe we're battling an illness because it's our wake-up call. Maybe the illness is something our souls chose to experience in this life so that we can learn what we're here on this earth to learn. Or maybe it's just bad luck. But there's a difference between thinking that you're a helpless victim of an illness and recognizing that your body is your business. So it's a fine line. I was talking to one of my mentors, Dr. Christiane Northrup, about this. And I said, how do I explain this to people without it sound like I'm blaming people for their illness? She said, Lissa, we are responsible to our illness, not for our illness. Chris Carr says she participates with her illness. In other words, your body is your business, and you have at least some power over whether or not your body is going to be optimally vital based on being the gatekeeper of your own mind. So figuring these things out changed how I think about the whole establishment of medicine. And I'm on this mission now to heal healthcare, to put the care back in healthcare. And I realize that one of the biggest reasons that our healthcare system is broken is because we've forgotten about the body's innate ability to heal itself. And we've gotten so invested in technology that we've actually lost touch with one of the most healing things that the body knows how to do. And I firmly believe that if every empowered patient and every conscious healthcare provider started adopting this way of thinking about health, what I call whole health, that it would change our entire system. So I've been going around the country on this book tour, speaking to groups of patients and healthcare providers, and really trying to make a shift in this way of how we think about these things. Because it all starts with you. It all starts with one empowered patient and one conscious healthcare provider trying to heal the rift that has come up. Because I hear so many stories of that rift. There are so many doctors and patients that have the sort of experience my mother just had with her doctor. When in fact, as healers, it's our job to be the calming influence on the amygdala, to remember the healing power of love, to show up in support, nurturing, caring. Somehow, I mean, it used to be that's pretty much all we had as doctors, right? We didn't have the technology that we have now. We didn't have penicillin and vaccines and all these amazing pieces of technology that I'm not in any way suggesting that we ditch. In fact, I mean, my husband cut 2 fingers off his left hand a while back with a table saw. And thank God for Dr. Jonathan Jones, who painstakingly spent 8 hours in surgery with a microscope, reattaching every artery, nerve, and bone in my husband's fingers so that he has 10 fingers today. Like, I'm sorry, no amount of mind-body medicine would have done that. So I'm not in any way suggesting we shouldn't optimize what Western medicine has to offer. I'm just saying it's not enough. We need to not stop there. It's not enough just to take the medicine, or even to eat a pristine diet and exercise regularly and take your vitamins. That we have to take the next step to figure out how to reduce our stress responses and increase our relaxation responses so that the body can do what it does best, heal itself. So I want to leave you with a quote. This is from Dr. Albert Schweitzer. And he says, he said, hang on, I got to get this right. I'm bad at quotes. He says, I want to tell you a little secret. We doctors, we do nothing. We only help and empower the doctor within. So I encourage you to be that doctor. Every one of you has the power to be the doctor within. Thank you very much.